Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Vimeo to publish professional clips for LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Vimeo's website. Log in to your Vimeo account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings section, click on the Connections tab. Scroll down to find the LinkedIn option. Click on the Connect button next to LinkedIn. A new window will pop up prompting you to log in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. You may be asked to authorize Vimeo to access your LinkedIn account. Read the permissions and click Allow if you agree. Once authorized, return to your Vimeo settings page. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your LinkedIn account is now connected. Navigate back to your Vimeo video library. Find the clip you wish to publish on LinkedIn. Click on the video to open the video settings. Look for the share options located below your video. Select the Share button. In the Share Options menu, click on the LinkedIn icon. This will open a new window with options to customize your post. Write a brief description for your LinkedIn post if desired. Choose to share the video on your personal profile or a company page. Once everything is set, click the Post button. Your video will now be published to your LinkedIn profile. You have successfully authorized Vimeo to publish professional clips for LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.